Alright, welcome back C&B fam. Seeing the title today. We're going to be making the Asian cuisine. Alright, now we start with your beef, making sure it's almost frozen, but not all the way frozen. Now I'm going to take this fat off here. Make sure you use a sharp knife. Okay. And try to cut it thinly sliced strips, just like that. See, that's cut like butter right there, just the way you want it. Okay, I'll finish this up off camera, and then I'll start on my other steak, and we'll be back. Okay, so got my meat cut up in slices, and now I'm gonna do is season it up with just a little bit with some Caribbean steak seasoning. Stuff is awesome, guys. Okay. Now add a little bit of shifties. Stuff's pretty good too. A lot of pepper in it, seasonings, all that, and some black pepper, and try to use up my peppercorn here. Use it up so I can buy me another one. Alright, so gonna let this marinate overnight, and we'll be back. Okay guys, so we got a wok here and a little bit of oil here, and now we're gonna add our thinly sliced beef. This is sirloin steak and ribeye steak, thinly sliced. Alright, let's brown up our meat and get on to the next step. Okay, so our beef is done. Alright, let's get it out of here and move on to the next step. Okay, let's add our broccoli, red bell pepper, and onion. Water, steam. Okay, we'll be back. Okay, let's add our beef back in here. And our shrimp. I cooked these shrimp last night, so they are delicious. Let's give us a good mix. Alright, give this a second, and then for the next step. Alright. Okay, and for the last ingredient, our stir-fry mix. I'll leave all the ingredients in the description below. Check it out. Alright. So we get that in. Give a good mix. And it'll start thickening on you. Oh man, this stuff smells good. All right, We'll be back. All right, CNB fam. Let's give this Asian cuisine dish a taste. It's my first time. All right. Good. Oh yeah, I like that. Okay, this is my first time making a stir-fry Asian cuisine dish, and it's pretty good. If you like the video, man, give it a shot, give it a thumbs up, all that. And definitely stay tuned for next week, man. Like I said, I got good things coming every weekend. All right, you can tell I'm a NASCAR fan, huh? All right, guys, we see you.